Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pruning what drains bandwidth. Close background apps and force stop any sync or streaming processes. Next, connect to the fastest available network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a 4G/5G mobile connection if signal is stronger. Once connected, toggle airplane mode for about 5 seconds to reset the radio and clear temporary network issues. While that reinitializes, make sure battery saver is off so the phone allows full modem power. This combination gives an immediate baseline speed improvement. Now you optimize the network layer. Change DNS to a low-latency provider such as 1, or 8. 8 in Wi-Fi or system settings, this reduces lookup delays. If you use a VPN, disable it temporarily or choose a high-performance endpoint close to you. VPN hops add latency. Next, restrict background data and turn off automatic updates for non-essential apps so they do not saturate the link. Finally, prioritize the app you use for browsing or streaming with any co-S options available on your router. Finish with hardware and app-level tweaks. Restart your router to clear congestion, and if possible, change the Wi-Fi channel to a less crowded one. This reduces interference. Use a lightweight browser or drop streaming quality by 1 step to stabilize playback. If speeds stay poor, test with a different device on the same network to determine whether the phone or the network is at fault. If only your phone is slow, clear app caches, update firmware, or perform a network settings, reset as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.